Now that you have your Beanz subscription, you have freshly roasted coffee, just like the best cafes use. And all you need to do is get it dialed in. I'm Sarah Dooley, here to walk you through the process. Let's dial in Monarch by Onyx on the Oracle Jet. Now, assuming you've placed a single wall double shot basket in the portafilter, you've selected the roast on date button when setting up your machine, and you've chosen the double espresso, we're at the same starting point. You are gonna love this coffee. This is Monarch by Onyx. Big, deep, dark chocolate flavor. We got a berry sweetness and a dried cherry sweetness along with this black tea middle note. It's great as an espresso and delicious with milk. We're brewing on the Oracle Jet today. This machine has a little bit of a barista inside, a kind of coach, if you will, and it's gonna basically take us step by step through the dial-in process. Let's get into it. We landed on a grind setting of 30 for Monarch. Your machine may be different, and that's okay. This machine will coach you to the right setting. Grab your portafilter and dry and wipe it out. Insert it into the grinder and pull it to the right or press the grind icon on the screen. My starting brew recipe is 22 grams of freshly ground coffee, 25 to 30 seconds of brew time, resulting in about 2 ounces of espresso plus a little crema. There it is, green icon, we're done. And just like that, grind, dosed, and tamped perfectly every time. Ridiculous. Wipe off the grounds around the rim and insert it into the brew group. Pull it till it's snug. Press the double cup button and grab your favorite cup. Now you shouldn't see the first drop till around the 9 to 12 second mark. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to high pressure. That's called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas, and lipids that make up a delicious espresso. Textbook. There's the shot I was looking for. There's the black tea, I love that. A hint of dark chocolate, a berry sweetness. We just dialed in Monarch by Onyx. Did your coffee look and taste like mine? This machine will prompt you when the grinder needs an adjustment. Follow the prompts, it's easy. The #1 goal with changing the grind is to slow down or speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed for the most delicious shot. If the flow is too fast, the coffee will taste sour. The Oracle Jet will prompt you to adjust the grind finer to slow down the water flow. If the water flow is too slow, it will taste bitter or astringent. The machine will prompt you to adjust the grind to a more coarse setting. Check out this new feature on the Oracle Jet. Now you can make cold brew in minutes, not 12 hours. And cold espresso shots, perfect for an after-dinner affogato. There are even recipes, like the espresso martini, to guide you into happy hour from home. This machine will coach you through dialing in new coffees every time. The Oracle Jet is the perfect combination of performance and automation. It's like having a little barista built inside every step of the way. I'm Sarah Dooley. Enjoy your coffee and see us again soon on Dialing In with Beanz. Oh my God, can I just show you one quick thing? Check this out. Dark mode. What?